YouTube! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a 3-strand braid. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this. Let's get into the video. Alright everyone, so the first thing that we're going to do to make a 3-strand braid is get all this hair together, and if you want, you can use a brush to get the hair more smooth. And then to get your 3 strands to start with, you're going to take 2 fingers and just kind of put them through. And as you'll see, this makes 3 strands. You're going to take this right strand to start the braid, and you're going to put it over the middle strand and under the left strand. Now tighten those together. And then take this right strand and put it in the middle. Then take this left strand, put that in the middle, and then repeat this process. Now take a hair tie or rubber band and place it around here, like so. And then that is your braid. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos like this. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!